Display of spray gun and rubber hose. Connect one end of the rubber hose to the mist gun. There are 2 spray gun bottles in total. Choose which one to use as needed. Open the cover here. There are 3 filter cottons here. When the filter cotton is dirty, you can replace it with a spare one. Unscrew the screw here and plug in the rubber hose that is installed on the mist gun. Showing the rubber hose connected to the dome mask. Connect one end of the rubber hose connected to the dome mask to the hole on the front of the instrument. One end is connected to the dome mask. Press the push button on the dome mask lid to take out the bottle. Twist open the bottle and add saline solution to essence 10:1 into the bottle. Put the bottle back in and close the lid tightly. Open the cover on the front of the instrument and take out the bottle below. Take out the cover. Pour in purified water. The water should not exceed the blue line. Then install it back and cover the cover. Next to it is the oxygen flow rotary knob. Install the power cord of the host and turn on the power button. Settings, time, 15 minutes. Mist adjustment, moderate, adjustable via the handle. Product mix, add a 10:1 ratio of saline to serum into the bottle. Install the dome mask's power cord. Mist dome mask can be used together with the host or alone. The default Bluetooth function is enabled after plugging in the power. Click mode, select mist, and the spray will be sprayed out. Click mode and select LED light. There are 1 to 7 levels of adjustment, corresponding to different lights: red, yellow, blue, green, white, cyan, purple. Click mode and select bright. There are 1 to 10 levels of adjustment. The higher the number, the brighter the light. Click mode and select flash of light. There are 1 to 10 levels of adjustment. 1 is the constant light mode. 2 to 10, the higher the number, the more frequently the light flashes. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Select anion. Oxygen flow, 3 liters per minute. Mode LED light. Light, 3, blue light. Press the on/off button to initiate the process. Power off the device and unplug the power cable.